Guys, welcome back. Today we are talking Infinix GT 10 Pro. It is basically gaming phone. Don't skip the video. It is available in subtitles. Please switch on the subtitles if you don't understand the language. Move to this phone. In the what's about it comes with handset, SIM card tool, documentation, case, stickers, and scratch card. And you can get many. It is the phone basically. It is a multicolor changing. It comes with mini LED light with cyber mesh design with basically two colors of black and white. It is the most powerful gaming phone under 20,000. If you're gamer, then you can choose this phone. I will recommend, and this is best price under 20,000. The main scheme that it available in 45-watt charger and USB A to C gaming phone design with cyber meta design. It is basically comes with plastic frame. No, it comes with basically nothing but it is a very interesting one about talking about this specification is Mediatek Dimensity 8050 high setting gaming 5000 mAh battery 45-watt charger Exynos 13 1 year major update and 2 year security updates. Basically it's too short, but it comes with a downside with 3.5 mm jack, USB type C and speaker grill, side with SIM tray, and up with noise cancellation microphone and speaker grill. So basically it is nice, and right hand side with volume rockers, 8 GB plus 250 GB 6 GB under 20 cents, good price, 6.67 full HD plus 120 Hz 900 nits brightness. Specification we can talking about that is dimensity of 80506 nm, high setting gaming, 5000 mAh battery of 45-watt charger, Exynos 13 and 2 year security, in-display fingerprint sensor, high volume speaker box also provided, 5 LED scripts, IP53 water and dust, 108 pixel of main camera, 2 MP and 2 MP, 32 MP of selfie, and 4K of 30 fp of video recording. You can record anything, and whatever I have written you can see it is displayed amount. Make sure like, subscribe, and see you next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Share please.